Hey Russell fam, today we are going to be talking about homeschool styles. Be back in just a second. Hi, my name is Becky, and this is Russell's Loving Life, and welcome to our channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification below. Today, we are doing a collaboration, and Leilani from Living with Eve is hosting this collaboration. It is called Homeschool Styles, and today I'm going to be talking about the school at home homeschool style. That is when you mimic a public or private school, not to the T, but when you sit down and you do books and you have a curriculum like we use My Father's World, Abeka, Sunlight, and Bookshark is another all-in-one curriculum, and those are called boxed curriculums as well. And we have been using My Father's World since Bailey started kindergarten. And so we've been using My Father's World for 6 years now. And I am currently using Rome to Reformation with Bailey in his 5th grade. And I am currently using my mind went blank, sorry, God's Creation from A to Z, their kindergarten curriculum with Becca. I will link the unboxing of Bailey's Rome to Reformation right here. And I will link the unboxing of Becca's kindergarten curriculum right here. And we also have a flip through of Bailey's Rome to Reformation. I'll link that up here in the iCard as well. And of course, we have a flip through of Becca's kindergarten curriculum, God's Creation from A to Z. I will link that up there as well, so you can see exactly what I mean when I say boxed curriculum. The curriculum comes with, I know it's going to be funny to see, but this is a week lesson plan. It comes in a spiral teacher's book. It walks you through step by step. Day 1, it tells you what to say, tells you what to do, all of that kind of stuff. Here is what one of the boxed curriculums or the school at home curriculums looks like. This is God's Creation from A to Z. It's a kindergarten curriculum from My Father's World. We love it. So here it breaks out your lesson plans for you on the week. It tells you everything that you're going to do. And then over here it shows you the notes, your Bible, and it even says say, and then this is what you're going to say to your child. And then week 2, see, it says say. So this is why I think that if you are new to homeschooling or thinking about homeschooling, the boxed curriculums are the way to go, just because they help you figure out what style works best for you, what style works best for your children or your child, and it just kind of makes it easy so you can figure out where to go from there. It gives you all of your subjects. It gives you even the worksheets that you're doing, like here. And I punch holes in everything because I keep everything and put it in a notebook. And then at the bottom of every page, it goes along with, it'll tell you week 18, the letter H. This is math, and you're doing day 3. And so, you know, you're learning all kinds of stuff. And you don't have to be putting it all together. You don't have to worry about, oh, I can't find something that goes with this, or how do I do this, and all of that. So that's why I choose to use My Father's World. They are amazing. But I did want to give you this quick flip through so you could see what a boxed curriculum looks like. So if you are new to homeschooling, most homeschoolers, when they decide to homeschool or start out homeschooling, feel way more comfortable using this boxed curriculum. Now, it's not for everyone. It is worked best for us. So this collaboration is to help those who are new to homeschooling or those who are now homeschooling learn about the different styles from all of us homeschool moms who have been doing it for a while. So I hope you find this collaboration helpful. I hope if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And if I can't answer it, then I will ask one of the other moms, or you can watch their videos that will be in the playlist, and that will be in the description box below. Leave them a comment. We are all here to support one another in our homeschool journey. Homeschooling's not for everyone. So I'm not here to tell you that it is best to homeschool your child. But if you are thinking about homeschooling, here are different styles and that can be used. And this is the one that works best for our family. So just to recap, we talked about the school at home, homeschool style. Sorry, I can't talk. And I'm going to leave a link to the playlist right here that's going to talk about all of the other types of homeschooling styles. And again, this is a collaboration with Leilani from Living with Eve. So I hope you have a blessed day. Bye.